Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're in the beach. It's dark. Forgot to make my video, but it's substitute and it's fireworks. You see? Well, you see? Yeah, you see it? This is just for the video of the day. It was too much fun to make a video for the beach, but this is gonna be the video for the day. Tomorrow, I will keep y'all occupied with at least 5 videos tomorrow. What was that? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I'm here with my family, my mother, my aunt, my stepfather, my cousin. Say hello to YouTube. Learn. Please.
You gotta point to it. You don't even see it. You see it it's lit. Lit.
Sure enough is. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that video, and as always, continue gaming. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, continue gaming. See ya.